طيب, coming to the first verse, Allah Azza wa Jalla, He said, فَفِرُّوا إِلَى اللَّهِ إِنِّي لَكُمْ مِنْهُ نَذِيرٌ مُبِينٌ. Translation, please.
Translated to mean, so flee to Allah, in brackets, from His torment to His mercy, i.e. Islamic monotheism. Verily I, brackets, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, am a plain warner to you from Him.
So the quotation here, which is meant, فَفِرُّوا إِلَى اللَّهِ, flee to Allah. Flee to Allah here by also doing what you're supposed to do from the ibadah and keeping away from what Allah and His Messenger told you to keep away from. فَفِرُّوا إِلَى اللَّهِ. So you flee to Allah from Allah. Subhanallah. We flee from Allah, we fear Allah. To whom? To Allah. We're having the shelter in Allah Azza wa Jal. So he who does flee to other than Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, then he will not stop sinning. He will all the time dare himself against Allah. So you flee from Allah to Allah. You ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to help you. And also when you make the seclusion, you don't make anything that would spoil your ibadah. But your ibadah is on top. But this thing of uzla, of seclusion, is for the sake of helping yourself to make more istiqamah.